your power bank phone, bud. Come on then. So it's Daddy's birthday. How old are you, Jace?
37.
37?
Yeah.
Well, I thought as you're so old, you could do with a really nice Coca-Cola bat and ball for holidays.
Ooh, they're cool.
I thought when Rowan gets... No! It's like Candid Camera Live. He's been in the box and everything.
It's the real thing. I love them, thank you.
I thought you might like them. You're a bit obsessed with Coca-Cola stuff, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And Coca-Cola stuff.
And then that T-shirt's off me.
Florida.
For Florida?
I said down the Coca-Cola store in Florida.
Yeah, you like the Coca-Cola store. And we got Rowan there on the technical lighting. Well done, Bird. You're going to be my lighting assistant.
Yeah.
Okay. Black Panther T-shirt. I thought that'd be nice for you to wear.
Yeah.
Now they've got like Marvel.
Yeah.
We're doing a New
Marvel.
York, a meal at the New York
Yeah.
Pam Kitchen. So next week or Sunday.
Sunday.
So I thought you could wear that. And then the clothes, as Rowan's opened that box for you so lovingly, are off Mummy. So obviously you know what that's for.
Sure.
Open it up.
Hello.
So in November for Black Friday and for the Christmas tree lighting, we're going to New York for 8 days.
Yeah.
So that's a big gift.
Yeah, it's lovely. Thank you.
And we're taking Nan and the children, and we're meeting friends over there, hopefully, if they want to see us, because we've berated them on what day they're going, so that we're there when they're there.
Rowan.
There we go. Good boy.
You don't?
It's hilarious. He's got my bottles down there. Oh, you can see that quite nice in the dark. It's lovely.
Yeah, it's
Can I have the light back on, Roby? Good boy.
Thank
Good boy.
you.
Just chuck it to the side. It's fine. I'll
Is that
tidy
nice
it.
cider?
Oh, light's gone again. It's like a disco. Quick, show it me while the light's on. Woohoo, number 10.
Boston Sport.
I was going to say something then. Where is Boston? Is that in New York? That's near New York, isn't it? It's like miles away. I don't think it is. People would be like, whoa. I'm useless with where the states are. I know how many states there are and all their names, but I don't know where they are. And then I thought, I know that's Los Angeles, but Mum thought you could wear that because it can be quite cold in New York.
Yeah, it is cold.
So, all these items, these clothing items are from Primark. We haven't gone mad. My mum spent a lot on us at Christmas time.
Yeah.
And she always treats us, so I didn't want her to spend too much money. But we had some really great bargains in there. So you can open your cards, and I want you to open Isla's card, because Isla very lovingly made this card and spent hours with Nanny doing this card.
No.
So it's really special. It's going to be the most special card you ever get off Isla, I think.
Daddy,
I really do.
you want me to open it?
Get it open.
You gonna help me?
We're going to go shopping this morning before Disney, and we're going to take you and get you some clothes, aren't we, Isla?
You show the camera.
Let me show them on the camera, and then you can look at it. A masterpiece for Daddy. And Isla and Nanny did this card. I've got a triangle. I knew that bit was going to come off the bottom. It's so fragile.
And there's a bus on it.
I want to show them this without you seeing it. And then she's done all this drawing for him. And it's like a card like that, and I just ripped the bottom off. So there we are. That's the story of our lives. That's why I say it is what it is. I'll have to glue gun it back on when I get home.
Masterpiece for Daddy. Bus.
All right, guys, this has been Dad's haul. So say bye, Dad. We've got to crack on. Please like and subscribe. This is Daddy's mini birthday haul. And we're going to take you shopping now, Jace.
And thank you for rolling with the Haffields.